let me start the reading for Aquarius Ascendant for the second week of October. So let me pull out the card from the tarot deck first, that what is stored for them for the second week of October, 9th to 15th October. So let me see that how is this week going to be for Aquarius Ascendants. So let me take out the card from tarot deck first. Let me say what unicorns wants to say for Aquarius Ascendant for the second week of October. That what Archangels wants to tell Aquarius Ascendant this week. Okay, so let me see the first card. Six of Pentacles, the Chariot, Knight of Cups. Okay, in this week, career wise, they will be they're gonna be a provider. They will be doing a lot of charity and giving to everyone, to their family and to the poor. They will be in a charity mode, and they will be in a giving mode this week. So, and this giving mode will bring the movement in their life, and they want to offer their cup, their emotions, and they want to share their victory or their emotions to someone else. Okay, to others they want to share, and this sharing is only the blessing which is coming to their life this week in Aquarius Ascendant's life. And let me see that what unicorn card wants to tell about this. The Christ, open the door to the kingdom of heaven. So as they are into giving energy and the movement is coming in their life, and they want to share their victory and their emotions with others, the door of kingdom of heaven gonna be open for them. And if I see love wise, they gonna be lover and relationship. If I'm talking about, then they gonna be provider for their family, their spouse, and they will be in a giving energy this week to their spouse and family, and they will be taking care of them. And if there was any breakup or any issues going on between partners and in love life, that's gonna solve, and there will be a movement. Some reconciliation can also happen, and you are ready for reconciliation, and you are ready to offer your cup to your partner in your relationship. You want to work on this relationship. If I talk about the love reading this week, so even this card is confirming that open the door to the kingdom of heaven. So if you are offering your love, you are opening the doors of heaven for you, because that love gonna fill your life with lot of happiness. So let me see that what is the message from angels this week for you, Archangel. So the message for you is from Archangel Sandalphon. I easily handle the unexpected. I stop, breathe, observe, and move forward with grace. Blessings come into my life seemingly from nowhere. I have unlimited potential and my possibilities are endless. Have you been noticing that things seem to happen unexpectedly? Are old injuries coming back to be reviewed? It is time to dissipate the emotional charges, attachments, and expectations. As you heal those around you, and essentially the planet be in the place of allowing and enjoy life. See, this part is also confirming that and advising you be in the place of allowing and enjoy life. Okay, so see, it is also clearly saying it is time to dissipate the emotional charges, attachments, and expectations. Be a giver. Are you healed? You heal those. As you heal those around you. When you heal, you are healing the people around you as well. So when you are going to be in this giving energy, you will be also seeing the movement in your life, and you will be also getting the love and career in your life, and the doors will open for you. So this is all the reading for Aquarius ascendant this week. So be a giver this week and heal as much as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.